Today, we're diving into the features of the Dirt Devil self-standing cordless stick vacuum cleaner, a powerhouse designed for both carpets and hard floors. This vacuum stands out with its self-standing design, allowing you to pause your cleaning session without needing to lean it against anything. With powerful suction, it tackles everyday messes effortlessly across multiple floor types, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. The cordless convenience means you can glide from room to room without being tethered to a power outlet, and at less than 7 pounds, its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability around the house. Plus, the vacuum transforms into a hand vac mode, offering versatile cleaning with its 2-in-1 Crevice Tool, Dusting Brush, and Upholstery Tool. And don't forget the LED headlights that illuminate your path, ensuring no speck of dust is left behind. The Dirt Devil cordless stick vacuum cleaner is your go-to solution for a cleaner, more efficient home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.